Good morning, good evening, good night. Depending on where you're watching this, I hope you guys are doing great. I have another beautiful listing for you today on the west side of San Antonio, the far west side of San Antonio on Highway 90 and 211. That building that you see up there on the hill, that's Texas Research Center. So we are located in the Texas Research Park, and the street for this one, or the address for this one, is 14606 Jocasta Drive. This property is 1,800 square foot, only a couple of years old, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go ahead and check out this beautiful door, beautiful walkway. See what you guys think. Boom, we are in. What does that feel like, guys? What does that feel like, guys? All right, I'm gonna walk you guys here. Just gonna kind of walk you to the house. You guys get the feel of where we're at. This is our lovely kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, 10-foot ceilings. I'll continue walking back so you guys can get a better picture. Now we come across our dining room and our beautiful, that's our entrance here. We have a beautiful living area. And we can see what's going on outside. So let's go ahead and do that. Outside we have a patio roof, covered patio here with a nice deck and a fireplace. They have some fans, which means they have some electrical running that way. They have their fans here, they have their seating area. But more importantly, guys, for those of you guys that are loving Mother Nature and conserve the earth, it has solar panels. Going to save you guys money on your CPS bill, guys. So all right, let's go back inside. I'm going to show you that so we can just walk through the whole house. And I just like the way it flows right in, right out. Now you guys are walking in. Let me shut this here, because all right, let me start you through the back of the house. We have a beautiful master bedroom with also 10-foot ceiling, guys. They changed the floor to white. As you guys can see, it pops a lot higher. Beautiful decoration here. This door would be our master bath. Linen closet, a monster bath. Large bathroom, guys. Plenty of space in here. Plenty of space for you guys to do what you guys gotta do in the bathroom. No worry about fighting for space for your couple in this bathroom, guys. All right, we got a walk-in closet. Clients usually currently using it, so I'm not gonna show you in there, but you guys know what a walk-in closet looks like for the most part. That's kind of what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and look at this beautiful guitars and their music area that they have. And let's walk over to their other 3 rooms that are in here and that 1 restroom here. So we have, as you guys can see down my straight as we're going, we'll have our 1 bath. Here, guys, we have another room. So we'll start out with our 1 bedroom here. You guys walk in. You see the beautiful decorations that they did here on the wall. Beautiful office space. Really quiet. Great for those of you guys working from home. Got a nice full bath, shower, tub. And then we have our laundry room. You guys can see here. Here's our 2nd bedroom, or 3rd bedroom if you're counting the master. Large walk-in closets. And our 4th bedroom here. You guys can see, guys, these rooms are fairly big. It is a twin bed in here. But the closet, the room, the office space it's really nice. So if you guys are looking for a nice, beautiful home in the far west of San Antonio that's under $325,000, I can help you guys. Give me a call.